In this video, we will explain how to use the climate control system in the 2019 Subaru Ascent. The 2019 Subaru Ascent features a 3-zone automatic climate control system designed to make your drive as comfortable as possible, with vents for the second and third rows. It includes a dual-zone driver and front passenger climate control system, as well as separate controls for the third zone if equipped. The Subaru Ascent can be set to automatic climate control. Auto mode can control the fan speed, air inlet control, airflow distribution, and compressor operation at the press of a button. To use auto mode, press the Auto button located on the center console and adjust the preferred temperature using the control dial. Pressing the Sync button will synchronize the driver and passenger's climate control using the front control panel. Front climate control splits the climate zones between the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat, and is controlled by the panel located under that screen. Airflow mode selection is operated by pressing the Mode button, and can change the airflow from the instrument panel outlets, foot outlets, windshield defroster outlets, or a combination. The fan speed control dial controls the amount of airflow. The air inlet can be changed from recirculated air to outside air by pressing the Air Inlet Selection button. The rear climate control panel is found on the center console in between the front seats. It features fan settings, temperature settings, on-off control, auto control, and mode settings. Pressing the Mode button will change the airflow to exit from the foot outlets, the rear ventilator outlets, or both. To turn off the rear climate control, press the On-Off button. On convenience trim levels, all rear climate control functions are controlled by the front passengers. With the 2019 Subaru Ascent's various climate controls, each passenger can travel comfortably to their final destination.